Hello YouTube, the Ups Man. That's UPS for you people who don't know. We just call him the Ups Man. You bring me up when I'm down, look up the song. Here's how this came delivered. This has paper wrapped around it. It's poked through, see? Push it in a foil bag. The foil bag in a box taped up. And then the box inside your Amazon bag. So I've read complaints where people say the spool's busted, and it came in a regular, just clear package bag, throw it in an Amazon bag. This company makes welders, okay? That's why I picked their brand of wire. $17 for a 2-pound roll. Now, I don't get paid to show this stuff, so this video will not be monetized. They make a welder for $149. Does flux core only. Then they have a model that also you can do a little stick welding. So if you want a cheap welder, I'm not going to recommend it. There is an option besides Harbor Freight. Hynade. You may find a video on YouTube on the welder I was mentioned is flux core only, but I know you'll find the one I looked up for sure. It has the stick welder too. There you go. That's all you get. Thanks for watching. We're going to be practicing our welding. No more of that play with that stick weld. You've seen how nasty it is when I worked on my stool. Oh, it just burns and melts through everything. We're going to attempt to, in fact, we're using this tool. See? We're never going to paint this. We can't afford clear coat, but Sunday in the shop, we'll show you the deal we got on spray paint. Oh, you'll laugh. They mark up the price and put a clearance sticker. You end up paying more than when they originally had it for sale. You know what I mean. There's a big store that does that. There you go. Thanks for watching. We're gone.